Hello everyone, Hichai here from Amrap. Today we are going to show you how you can use your Compex device to train up your type 2 muscle fiber at home. No weights at all. First of all, you got to turn on your Compex device and go to the resistance program itself. So once you are at the resistance program, connect your pads. So for today's example, I will show you on my forearm itself. It will be the same concept as to the other parts of the body. Body weight training is very hard for us to achieve that 70-80% where you will hit your type 2 muscle fiber. But for Compex itself, it will simulate a kind of contraction, lifting very heavy weights. Yep. So let's turn on the device right now and I will show you how this works. So for the resistance program itself, it's 7 seconds on and 7 seconds of rest. It will start with a warm-up like this. This will generate blood flow and get the muscle ready for the workout. There are 3 ways that you can actually work out with your Compex itself. The first one is for you not doing anything. But that is not the optimal way that we will be using it unless you have a problem moving and things like that. Like if you're injured and you're on the bed itself, you have no other choice, you can't move your muscle. Yes, using this will actually help you to reduce muscle atrophy. So for athlete itself who got injured, you got to stay in bed for a month or two. Compex is very effective on that. But if you are active people, there's the other 2 methods that we'll be going through today, which is the isometric contraction and the eccentric contraction. So for the first part, we'll go through the eccentric contraction. For my forearm itself, you will see that by contracting the forearms, my hands will naturally go up because this muscle actually shortens. So what we're going to do is we're going to fight it on the contraction phase. So once this thing goes up, I will try to force it down, and it goes up again, I will force it down. In the 7 seconds itself, we should be able to get 2 to 3 reps in. Do it slow and control. I'll show you how it goes. So the first round, I won't be doing anything, and I will show you. So currently we're at intensity of 20, and then it will go to a recovery phase. So next rep, we're going to force it down. So that is 1 rep, and that is 2 reps. And then it will go back to the recovery. We're going to up the intensity a little bit. It's getting hard. So right now we are at about 30. Then after that is the recovery phase. So that will be for the eccentric contraction. If you are using for other body parts, like for example on your quads itself, on the contraction part, you can do a slow squat down. Then after that, come up. Don't need to lock your knees. Halfway, you can go down again. So you should be able to complete like 2 reps. Will be the isometric contraction. So what we are going to do, we will be holding it in this position and not allowing the hands to go up during the contraction phase. So we are fighting it. It's an isometric contraction. This one, normally we can go much higher. So here we go. If you want to let the contraction go up, just press and hold. Look at how much my forearm is contracted. I'll show you again. So right now we are at 57. And you should be able to go up a little bit more after every set. 57, 60. That's it. You can try it on your legs. You can do it together with a workout. You can try the isometric contraction if you want. See which one suits you better. For the first try, we'll say that don't complete all the 42 rounds. It comes with 42 rounds. It's meant for mainly people who are not moving. Then you will try to complete the 42 rounds. If you are doing a workout with it, you can start with maybe 15 to 20 rounds of this, of 7 seconds off and 7 seconds on. And do not be afraid to increase the intensity. Try to go up as high as you can. There's a lot of fear thinking that the Compex will tear your muscle, but you will only tear your muscle by pulling it apart, right? So for Compex itself, it's actually pulling in together. Don't worry about it, you won't tear your muscle with Compex. So go up to a level where you feel slightly uncomfortable, but not until the point that you feel that you are in pain. Like, that's all for today's video. Try it out if you have a Compex, and leave a comment below how you feel, how far you went. For bigger muscle groups, definitely you can go up much higher. Yeah, and stay safe and train hard. And if you want to know more information, do send us a DM. Thank you very much.